Hey guys, welcome back. And today we get into another function, which is rank function. Now, rank function is one of the mathematical function that we usually use to generate random numbers. Yeah, but in the purview of 0 to 1. Yeah. So when I'm talking about rank function, it returns an evenly distributed random real numbers greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. So it could give you a range that could be starting from 0 to 1. So it could be 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.88, 0 0.9999. Okay. So a new random real number is written every time the worksheet is calculated. So I'll show you that, but let's see the syntax. So it has rank. The function is the function that you need to use is rank function. So it is rank, sorry, rank, and you need to specify, or you do not need to specify within anything within the brackets. Yeah, just hide this previous sessions video. Okay. Yeah. So rank gives you random numbers. So you can generate a random real number between anything between 0 and 1, as I told you. Okay, so let's try to find out how it is being used. So it's pretty simple, is equal to rank, and I'll open and close the square brackets, and it will give you a random number. So it is giving me 0.52. Every time I press enter, wherever my formula is, every time I press enter, it will give me a new number. See this? But the number will always be between 0 and 1. Okay. So if I try to just populate it downwards like this, you can see it is already given me different number. Now, if I try to even refresh one of the numbers, it will refresh all the numbers. You just have a look at all the numbers which are below the one where I have edited the formula. So I just press enter. You can see the other numbers have also changed. Yeah, again, I will do it for you. Yeah, you can see the numbers are changing. I again just have a look at the numbers which are just below the formula where I'm editing it. Yeah. So every time there is a calculation in your sheet, it keeps on changing. Why I use this in a practical scenario is to create various kind of scenarios where I have random number generated by the system, and I can work on a particular data to test my theory. Yeah, where I specify where I want the random numbers between 0 and 1. Okay. And I usually use it when I want to have a Boolean state of number. Yeah. I'll show you what happens. So if I want to have 1, so I always say round, and I'll have a round of this particular number, round, okay, comma 0. Can see this? Either it has become 0 or anything which is below uh, 0.5, 0.5, it is taken as 0. And anything which is above 0.5 has been considered as 1 when I'm trying to round it. Okay. So this is how rand function is used to generate random numbers. Yeah. I just convert to range. Yes. Okay, so this is how it happens. So random number, nothing, but it will just generate numbers between 0 and 1. And this is how it used, and it keeps on refreshing every time the sheet is calculated. Hope I was able to make this concept clear. Very easy formula, but very important as well. Yeah. Hope you understood this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get notification of the new videos that I post on. And it will also motivate me to create such free content for your people. Thank you so much.